Welcome back, YouTubers, to another fucking wonderful day today. And today, you already know what time it is. Cleaning the daytime. Cleaning the daytime. You already know what time it is. Cleaning the daytime. Welcome back, YouTubers. You know how we're doing it out here. I got the little homie right here, my boy. Put it in work. Huh? Put it in work?
Yeah.
Tell you put it in work.
I'm putting in work.
Yeah.
I'm SRT4 kid.
SRT4 kid right here. You already know. Thumbs up. Yeah. How are we doing here?
Good.
We're doing good? Show them your hands. Show them your hands. How dirty they are. Look at that. You like them being dirty?
No.
Yeah. Let's do this. We're out here just stripping down the car, getting it ready for a little cleanup. And so far, it's doing good. It's looking good. No complications yet, but we got. What happened?
Oh my God.
Did you get it?
No. It's still
You didn't get it?
No. It still needs to get one.
Keep going. Don't stop. You still have like 4 more bulls to take off. Gotta teach them young. Hydrated. Gotta teach them young. Fast cars?
Yeah.
Fast car life? Addictive?
I have a different car.
You have addictive cars. Yeah. Remove the AC, the water tank, center mount. I'm gonna need a new one because that one's ripped. A battery rack. Motor mount. Trannies off. Now we're gonna remove the headlights with the good help of my boy right here. Huh?
It's gonna take off.
SRT4 kid putting in work. Show him your shirt. Yeah. Yeah, we're putting in work. This is basically how I would have looked doing this when I was a baby right here. Keep going, don't stop. So yeah, we're gonna get this shit ready. We're gonna start cleaning this thing up. Hopefully get some little wire tucking going in here. So far so good though. Yeah. Catch you guys in the next video. Okay. We're back at it again. You already know who it is. Your boy, Minty SRT, with another impact video. Not impact video, but it's a pretty long process video here. Today, we got some rags. What are these called?
Shop tiles.
Some shop towels. We got them mechanic gloves, sponges. The most important right here. Brake cleaners. Hopefully that would do the trick to get the shit looking wet again. You know what I'm saying? guys. It looks better. It's looking better, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna take a little while to get it fucking 100% clean. But we're trying to go with just first spray cleaner, all fucking the hard grime, and then we're gonna come back and wash it down with soap, and hopefully that will do the solve the problem. Always make sure to wear latex gloves for the safety people. Dude, it's fucking hot. It's fucking, what is it, like what?
100 degrees.
100 degrees out here. And I mean, I'm under shade, but it's still fucking hot out here, bro. So yeah, man, like, this going out to everybody, all the followers out there, my subscribers. You know, keep doing what you do. Don't ever let people tell you what you can't do. You know what I'm saying? And if you don't know how to do something, just go out there and try it yourself. That's the only way you'll learn new shit. And yeah, that's how I learned. All this shit right here, you know, doing it all myself, never done this before. And all it takes is just patience and a little fucking knowledge. Just look up your shit, you know, but don't ever let nobody put you down. Everything's possible. I'll never stop. Never in my life would have thought about me doing this shit right here. Hi, babe. And I'm out here fucking putting in work, and I just hope in the end all this shit fucking turns out how I plan. Because if it doesn't, I'm gonna be in a whole fucked up situation, dude. So fuck it. You know? Hard life. Hard life. For the bitches on YouTube. Yeah, looking a little bit better. I know what you guys thinking when I use the pressure washer. I don't have one, so I'm doing this shit the trailer park way. Today's primary tools is a bucket and a sponge. I hope you guys enjoyed my little cinematic. What's it called? My little cinematic scenery. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's just a little thing, you know, for all my fans out there, my true fans out there that like that.
Cinematic footage.
Cinematic footage that like that. That just editing, you know, on point and shit. And gotta have a little fun doing this shit. Fuck it. Alright guys, make sure you guys just take your time and be patient, because in the end this will turn out pretty damn amazing, you know. And as you see, this area right here is semi-clean. So what we're doing right now, we're just going in and removing the hard stuff. So then we'll come back and then hand wash everything, and then pressure wash this whole thing, and then probably drop some good degreaser on here for the last, you know, and just make sure it's just squeaky clean. You know, 'cause, I mean, you want your primer to stick pretty good, so you gotta make sure there is no fucking grease in this fucking bay, and that's my mission right now. You know what I'm saying? And if you guys, this bay will, well, the plan is getting painted, you know. If you guys have any idea what color I'm gonna paint the bay, make sure to put it in the comments down below. See who gets it right. You know what I'm saying? Hell yeah! So let's keep on scrubbing this shit, and hopefully we get a good amount finished before it gets dark out here. And that's the plan right now. But for anybody that has any wire tucking experiences, make sure to shoot me a message, cause I'm gonna need all the info that I can't get to fucking make this fucking happen. And I'm gonna try to do this shit all on my own, you know. Well, help with my friends and stuff, but I ain't trying to pay thousands of dollars to get this shit done. You know, it's gonna be trailer park built. All right, guys, we got the hose, and we're gonna give it a little quick spray and remove all the loose debris that we did. You know what I'm saying? Get this thing pretty cleaned up, so then we can give it another round. Huh? It did pretty good. I mean, this pack can take us a few days just to get it squeaky clean, but for you guys, it'll be all in one video. You know what I'm saying? So I'm saving you guys the time. And make sure, man, if you guys like this content, make sure to always come back every week. Try to post a video up and just to keep an update on this SRT4 build. And yeah, we got a lot of plans here.
Until somebody says in your comments and says, you weren't supposed to get blah 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 wet.
I know, but well, fuck it. Thug life. What is the worst that could happen here? I mean, my engine's already fucked. I think it could be worse than that. Huh?
Yeah. It looks pretty good, actually.
Get this thing all cleared out. Damn. So make sure you guys get every single spot, because when you start spraying in here, you'll be amazed how just fucking dirt that comes out of nowhere with that air pressure.
Good in. Come on. Come on.
Yeah, but you gotta tell the camera who you are. Tell the YouTubers who you are.
Is that deep for kids?
Yeah, here. Tell them what you're gonna do right now for the YouTubers. Tell them.
I'm gonna wash the car.
Let's go. Try away.
Sorry.
Say, ¿tú doy en la hammer? ¿Tú doy for it? Get it, Gotti. Hey, wait in your phone, bro.
Okay, stop.
Go easy on that.
It's like, why are you
Jake,
covering me?
stop! You need to go like that. Jake, stop!
Hey, you guys are making a mess. Alright, guys, that sums it up for today. Well, this is just the first part of this video. I'm gonna keep recording tomorrow. I still got other shit to do right now, but this is basically how we left it so far. It looks pretty damn good. Looks pretty damn good. Wider than it did before, you know. So yeah. See you guys tomorrow.